Indirect speech. You know that we can tell somebody what another person has said by repeating exactly the same words used by the speaker. The report is then said to be indirect speech. When we report what a person has said by not using exactly the same words used by the speaker, the report is said to be indirect speech. Direct speech. John said, "I am unwell." Indirect speech. John said that he was unwell. Direct speech. Harry asked me, "Where are you going?" Indirect speech. Harry asked me where I was going. Here what John said and Harry asked have been reported in a different way. The exact words used by them have not been used. This is indirect speech. Some difference between direct and indirect speech. Quotation marks are not used in indirect speech. In indirect speech, that is usually used after the verb of speaking, said that, screamed that, and so on. The pronouns in the quote may change. I direct speech may become he, indirect speech. The tenses of the verbs in the quote may change. Is, direct, may become, was, indirect. Am, direct, may become, was, indirect.